heading to Japan tomorrow for the Silhouette Summit. They invited me last year and it was in Hawaii. This year they're doing it in Japan. And I can't believe they invited me. This is my first time going to Japan and it's my first international trip by myself as well. So I'm a little anxious about the whole process. I'm trying to pick out my outfits for the week. It is really hot and humid there. I'm a little scared because I don't do well with humidity. I do have this linen skirt that I picked up recently. I love this flower cutout. It was on sale at Bloomingdale's. If I could find it, I'll try to link it for you guys below the video. But this is so cute. I think I'm going to wear this with maybe a white top. But I also have a couple linen skirts. I have some Aerism from Uniqlo that I'll be packing as well. Hopefully it's not too hot. I could see in the weather forecast it's also going to be raining. So I really don't know how it's going to be. So I'm going to pack a lot more clothes than usual so that I can kind of feel out what it really feels like there. So yeah, I'm going to finish packing up and I'll be taking you guys with me to Japan.
Welcome to Narita, where the local time is 1:39 p.m.
皆様大変お疲れ様でございました。ご搭乗くださいま。
Hello from Japan. I am so excited to be here. Thank you so much, Silhouette, for inviting me. And I can't believe I'm here. I can't believe I'm here in Japan. This is my first time here in Japan. I know Korea is really close, but I've been to Korea plenty of times, but I've never been to Japan. I can't wait to explore and I can't wait for the Silhouette Summit tomorrow. They're going to be showing us some new updates that I'm really excited about, and I can't wait to meet all the creators that I've been kind of DMing and being like friends only on Instagram, but now we get to hang out in person, and I can't wait to also like work on little projects at the demo room that they'll be having, and I'll be taking you guys with me throughout my Japan trip here. It's really humid here, but I think we're going to just head to a nearby mall, and there's also like a historic building that I'll be checking out. All right, let's go. like since 3 in the morning. We went to the 7-Eleven. We're actually going to check out a neighborhood near this area. But today is day 1 of the Silhouette Summit. So we'll be kind of checking out the area until we have to go to the summit, which is really close. And they actually gave us complimentary breakfast buffets too. So we'll be checking that out. Honestly, I've been eating like so much because we ate snacks at 7-Eleven, and then we're trying to go to like a ramen place, and we're gonna go to Don Quixote. So let's go. This is my outfit for today. I think I'm gonna be sweating a lot though, so I don't know, but this is my little linen outfit for today.